Umbria is in the middle of Italy, deep in the rustic countryside. And it's known as the Green Heart. And with an abundance of farming, it grows some of the finest fruit and vegetables, like these asparagus, that play a key role in my Umbrian frittata. And the food philosophy of Umbria is simple. They use the very best of ingredients that are in season. But a frittata without artichokes just doesn't work for me. And to give this frittata a rich, meaty note, all I'm doing is removing the casing from a savory Italian sausage. And then crumbling the meat up so it's into nice bite-sized pieces. Another key ingredient for me is pancetta. It's going to add another dimension of savoriness and that wonderful flavor from the fat content as it renders down and melts out. There, I've got my ingredients all prepared because this frittata cooks pretty quickly. Whilst my sausage is frying up, let's grab those onions and garlic. Frittatas in Italy are very popular, and there's really no hard and fast rules as to what goes into it. It's whatever you have handy at the time. And they are so flavorful, quick and easy to make. Guaranteed, people will come back for more every time. Now I can add my asparagus because I've not grilled or blanched them, just going in raw, pick up a little heat, and they'll soften up nicely. And these artichokes will add their own unique taste, a little bright flavor as a counterpoint to the richness of the sausage and pancetta. Move that to one side. Now it's time to get some really big flavors going on with these gorgeous fresh herbs. Sweet basil, that unmistakable pop of flavor from fresh mint. Earthy thyme, that'll give a big, deep note. Rosemary has that sort of pine note to it. And the savory fragrance of marjoram. A coarse chop. Into a pestle and mortar to break down and pull out all those aromatic notes and bring them together. A little salt. And that coarse salt helps break down the fibrous texture of those herbs. A splash of olive oil, just to bring it all together. So aromatic and packed full of flavor. Teaspoon of that in my frittata is going to add a ton of flavor. And last but by no means least, a little spinach and some peppery arugula. Just let that wilt down, and then we're good to add the eggs. A low and gentle heat, and it doesn't take long before that egg starts to firm up. And as it does, it binds all those lovely, delicious ingredients together. And off to the oven we go. Look at that beauty. It's almost like a mosaic of ingredients, all embedded in that egg. Slide it right out. And I've got to cut me a nice big slice. Now, I love serving up a simple radicchio salad. Crisp, a little bitterness, and I gotta have a little cheese. A little pecorino. Oh, the smell is amazing. This frittata is like a symphony of textures and flavors.